Have you ever found yourself puzzled about why some team members aren't performing up to their potential, or felt a disconnect with your team that you just can't seem to bridge? You're not alone. The secret to unraveling these mysteries might be simpler than you think, and is hidden in the one-on-one meetings you're already having. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful approach that could transform your leadership style and unleash the true potential of your team. I'll reveal 14 strategic questions that can turn your routine one-on-one meetings into a goldmine of insights and solutions. Yes, just by asking the right questions, you can unlock a world of opportunity and understanding. So if you're looking to dive deep into the heart of your team's performance and foster a culture of trust and high achievement, stay right here. You're about to discover how simple changes in your one-on-one meetings can make a profound impact on your leadership effectiveness. I will also be sharing a bonus tip at the end of this video about something so important, yet majority of leaders often ignore. This tip will complement these 14 questions and elevate these meetings and ensure they continue to be useful and effective for both you and your team member. So stay tuned. Let's start with a fundamental question. What exactly are one-on-one meetings, and why do they hold such a crucial place in effective leadership? At their core, one-on-one meetings are private conversations between a leader and their team members. Unlike group meetings or formal reviews, these interactions offer a unique space for open, candid dialogue. In these meetings, it's not just about discussing project updates or deadlines, it's about connecting, understanding, and nurturing your team members' career and personal well-being. As we embark on our journey through these 14 questions, let's begin with the first three, which are crucial in setting the tone for a productive and empathetic one-on-one meeting. Question 1. How are you feeling about your current role and responsibilities? This question opens the door to understanding how your team member perceives their role. It's not just about the tasks they perform, but their emotional connection to their work. Are they feeling challenged, motivated, or perhaps overwhelmed? This insight is invaluable. Question 2. What are recent accomplishments in your work are you most proud of? Recognition is a powerful motivator. This question helps you identify and celebrate their successes, no matter how big or small. It's an opportunity for them to reflect on their achievements and for you to acknowledge their hard work and progress. Question 3. Are there any challenges or obstacles you're currently facing at work or outside that you'd like to discuss? Every role comes with its set of challenges. By asking this, you're showing your team member that you're there to support them, not just in their successes, but also through their struggles. It's about being a leader who's a partner in their journey. These first three questions are just the beginning. They set a foundation of empathy, recognition, and support. Crucial elements for any fruitful one-on-one meeting. Stay tuned as we explore the next set of questions and delve deeper into fostering growth and development. Now let's progress to the next set of questions, each designed to unravel deeper layers of your team members' experience and aspirations. Question 4. How do you feel about the team dynamics and your interactions with other team members? Understanding how your team member views their place within the team is crucial. This question isn't just about identifying potential conflicts, it's about gauging their comfort level, sense of belonging, and how they collaborate with others. It's the bedrock of a strong team. Question 5. Is there any support or resources from my side that could help you perform better? Empowerment is key. Here, you're asking what you as a leader can do to facilitate their success. It shifts the conversation from a performance review to a collaborative effort for growth and improvement. This approach can significantly enhance their engagement and productivity. Question number 6. What are your long-term career goals and how can I assist you in achieving them? Every individual has ambitions. Understanding these goals helps you align their career path with the organization's objectives. It's about being an ally in their professional journey, showing them that their aspirations matter to you and the organization. Question number 7. Are there any skills or areas you would like to develop or learn more about? Continual growth is vital in today's ever-evolving work landscape. This question underlines your commitment to their personal and professional development. It's about fostering a culture of learning and progression. These questions are designed to deepen your understanding of your team members' career aspirations, their place within the team, and how you as a leader can support their journey. Next, we'll explore further questions that continue to build the narrative of effective leadership and team development. We move forward to the next set of questions, each pivotal in enhancing communication and understanding within your team. Question number 8. How do you feel about the feedback you've been receiving? And is there a way you prefer to receive feedback? You see, feedback is a two-way street. This question isn't just about how feedback is given, but also how it's received. Understanding their preferences for receiving feedback can really transform the way you communicate, making it more effective and meaningful. It's about adapting your style to fit their needs. Question number 9. What makes you feel most valued and recognized in your organization? Recognition goes beyond bonuses or public accolades. This question seeks to understand what truly motivates your team member. Is it autonomy, acknowledgement, or perhaps collaborative successes? Knowing this can help you tailor your approach to make them feel truly valued. Question number 10. Is there anything else on your mind that you would like to share or discuss? This open-ended question offers a space for anything that hasn't been covered. It signals that you're open to hearing their thoughts, concerns, or ideas, whatever they may be. It's an invitation for them to share openly, fostering a deeper trust and connection. Question number 11. What feedback do you have for me as a leader? Great leadership involves self-reflection and openness to feedback. This question turns the table, giving your team member a voice to express their views on your leadership. It's an invaluable opportunity for your own growth and for building a culture of mutual respect and continuous improvement. These questions not only encourage open communication, but also demonstrate your commitment to a leadership style that values feedback, recognition, and open dialogue. As we move to the final set of questions, we'll focus on actionable steps and future goals essential for ongoing development and success. I will also share that bonus tip for you. Question number 12. What opportunities do you see for improvement in our team or organization? Inviting your team member to share their insights on improvement opportunities shows that you value their perspective. It's about recognizing that great ideas can come from anywhere and that each team member has a role in shaping the organization's future. This question can uncover hidden potential and innovative solutions. Question 13. What action steps will you take moving forward? This question shifts the conversation from reflection to action. It encourages your team member to think proactively about their role in achieving their goals and the team's objectives. It's about setting a clear path forward and establishing accountability, which is key to effective development. Question number 14. What goals are you hoping to achieve in the upcoming weeks? Concluding our discussion with this question helps in setting tangible, short-term goals. It's a way to keep the momentum going and provides a clear focus for future meetings. It also allows you to monitor progress and offer targeted support where needed. As we conclude our journey through these 14 insightful questions, remember, they're tools for you to use flexibly. Adapt and choose what's best for each meeting. The focus is always on the employee, their needs, their voice. If they're sharing, our job is to listen and support, not to stick rigidly to an agenda or complete all questions in one go. These one-to-one meetings are invaluable for building deeper connections, understanding the individual behind the role, and fostering a culture of trust and growth. Thoughtfully applying these questions can profoundly impact your team dynamics and leadership effectiveness. Now it's time for our bonus tip that can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your one-on-one meetings. The practice of follow-up and action tracking. One-on-one meetings are not just about conversations. They're about progress and development. After each meeting, take a few minutes to summarize the key points discussed, especially any action items or commitments made by you or your team member. Send this summary to your team member as a follow-up. This not only shows that you value the discussion and are committed to their development, but it also serves as a reference point for your next meeting. Furthermore, during your next one-on-one, start by revisiting these action items and discuss any progress made, hurdles encountered, and provide or seek feedback as needed. This process ensures accountability and demonstrates that these meetings are a crucial part of their professional growth journey. Remember, effective leadership is about creating a culture of continuous improvement and growth. Follow-up and action tracking make your one-on-one meetings a powerful tool in this process. If you found value in this video and are eager for more leadership tips and advice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're a new leader looking for essential insights and practical tips to navigate your leadership journey, click on the screen right now for a specially curated playlist just for you. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey. Lead with empathy, listen with intent, and create spaces where your team members feel truly valued and heard. Until next time, keep leading with heart and making a difference.